What's up, everybody? It's Mr. Jenkins here from MGMClassicCars.com, Addison, Illinois. Today I'm bringing you this new arrival 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, Tuxedo black paint, white stripes, houndstooth interior. What a gorgeous car, RSSS. Really nice. Drives great. Sounds great. Dual exhaust. 3-speed transmission. Horseshoe shifter. There's your houndstooth seats. Gorgeous design and pattern. Doors close nicely. Engine runs great. Replacement 396. Vintage air. Go ahead, rev it up. Close the hood first. Hood closes nicely and lines up great. Your badging's in the right spot. The glass is in great shape. It sounds great, runs great. You got your console clock there. What a gorgeous car. Astro ventilation, vintage air controls. Everything is really clean on this car. Whoever did it did a great job. Nice torque thrust wheels. Hideaway headlights, of course, with the RS package. Look at that front end. 396 badging. Just an overall really nice car. Disc brakes in the front. Slotted and drilled rotors, of course. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. Give you one final walk around. This car is located at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois. We have around 250 cars in stock. We offer special financing with great monthly payments. Shipping all over the United States. Open and closed, bonded and insured. Keep an eye out on the YouTube channel and the website. We get new inventory in almost every day. You're not going to want to miss a thing. Our business hours are 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. Saturday 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. all by appointment only. If you are interested in this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, please call us at 847-848-1850 or visit the website mgmclassiccars.com. My name is Mr. Jenkins. It's been a pleasure showing you this gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Hope everyone has a great day, and I hope to see you soon here picking up this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, because remember, it looks great here, but it'll look a whole lot better in your garage. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.